Woo, folks! Today we're talking about something that could destroy our world. No, it's not a zombie apocalypse. No, it's not an asteroid. It's something much smaller but infinitely more important. Get ready because this is going to be the most important information you've ever heard. Bees. You heard that right? You think bees are just cute little bugs that make honey? What if I told you that without them, we all die? I know, it sounds crazy, but trust me, this isn't a joke. This is reality, and it's already here. Look, 75% of the plants we eat need pollination. Without it, goodbye food, just flowers that give us nothing. And who does most of this pollination? Bees. They're 80% of all pollinators on the planet. Not drones, not your grandma with a paintbrush, but tiny, hard-working bees. The apocalypse has already begun. You think this is some kind of futuristic movie? No, this is happening right now. In some parts of China, people are literally hand-pollinating apple trees. Yes, with ladders and cotton swabs. Imagine how much an apple that Ivan Ivanovich pollinated would cost. 10 pounds? 20? Or maybe it just won't exist at all. Or take almonds in the U.S. Millions of beehives are trucked in to pollinate these trees, and then these bees die from pesticides. But who cares if we have an Instagrammable almond latte, right? We're killing them by the millions just to have a trendy drink. It's just absurd. The domino effect, from bees to famine. If bees disappear, a real collapse will begin. Plants die. No pollination, no fruits, no vegetables, no grain. Herbivores disappear. No food, no cows, no sheep, no chickens. Predators starve. It's obvious, isn't it? If there's nothing to eat, predators will disappear too. Soils die. Without life above, the earth also becomes dead. Prices go crazy. Forget about cheap pizza. Forget about everything. Famine. Billions of people simply won't have anything to eat. Panic and chows. When people are hungry, they'll do anything to survive. Real hell begins. This isn't, oh no honey for my tea. This is there will be no tea because there will be no mint, because there will be no insect to pollinate it. Do you understand the scale? This isn't fantasy. In France, Germany, Brazil, India, beekeepers aren't counting profits, but millions in losses. Hives are dead. Bees haven't returned. What can we do to save the world? Folks, this isn't a challenge for governments or big corporations. This is a challenge for every single one of us. Here's what you can do right now. Plant something, even one flower. Dandelions, clover, these aren't weeds, they're bee diners. Ditch the chemicals. Those all-purpose insect sprays kill everything alive, including bees. Use natural methods. Support local beekeepers. Buy honey from them. It's their job, and they're saving our world. Tell everyone about it. Share this video. Let everyone know about this problem. We can't just sit back and watch the world fall apart. If we want to live, we have to leave something alive. Otherwise, instead of fruits, we'll only have memories of how good the gardens once smelled. This was the most important video. If you did something I mentioned, write it in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you want the world to survive. Who's with me to save the bees? Write bees equals life in the comments.